Hello, this is needlepointers.com and I have a quick tip for you today. Recently I made pajamas for my grandson, and of course the size that I used was medium. But maybe in the future I'd like to make him these pajamas again in a larger size. What I did was I have cut out the medium size, but I saved the tissue for the larger sizes, which then all you have to do is tape them together and you would be able to use the same pattern and make a larger size. I hope you liked this quick tip. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and by following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or Google+. Visit our website by clicking the iCard to find the links to follow us. Also visit our website needlepointers.com for lots of sewing information and free projects and tutorials.